Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ribbon to the top of the hair and then begin to braid one of the sides. Do the same on the other side and then tie a ponytail at the bottom. Roll the ponytail upwards after you have braided it. Now tie the ribbon around it. Tie it with a rubber band. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail, then divide this ponytail into two portions. Taking the upper portion of the ponytail, tie a rubber band in the middle and then roll it in on itself. Then bring the lower section through the upper section. Lift it upwards and make a bow. Tie it all together. Now taking the bottom portion of the hair, make a braid. You will be making a fishtail braid, so divide the hair into two portions and then take two small sections from either of the sections and interchange them. Do this until you reach the bottom. Make sure that each of the sections are really narrow. Once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band, two of them, and then roll it upwards. Next, start off by combing the hair in place. Then divide the hair into sections. Taking the front section first, make two braids out of it as such. You may use decorative rubber bands in the process. Then taking the right braid, or rather the right ponytail, begin to braid the hair. While you are braiding the hair, take in sections from the right side, that is the right side before the central parting, and tie it into a ponytail. For our next hairdo, start off by taking an upper section of the hair. Then begin to braid this hair. As you progress with the braid, include sections from the rest of the scalp into this braid. Make sure that this braid is firm in its place. Once you reach the bottom, you may add a rubber band to it, and there you have your hairstyle. For our next hairdo, make three partitions of the hair as follows and add a rubber band with a ribbon to it. Now divide the top hair into two portions and make two braids out of it as such using the ribbon. Taking the right side, tie it up to the right ponytail and make a braid out of it and roll it upwards. Repeat the same on the left side. Wrap it up using the ribbon. For our next hairdo, divide the upper portion of the hair into two parts. Tie a ponytail out of it first and then roll the ponytail in on itself. Then begin to braid the hair. While you are braiding the hair, include sections from the right side into this portion of the braid. That is, the right side of the hair that is before the central parting. Make another braid with the remaining hair. For our next hairdo, start off by combing the hair into place. Take a section of the hair from the front and then begin to braid this hair. As you progress with this braid, include sections of the hair from the rest of the scalp as well. However, space the inclusion of the hair into the braid. Do it every once in 3 to 4 braids. Now, once you reach the base of the scalp, you may braid the hair normally. Tie a rubber band once you reach the bottom. For our next hairdo, start off by putting a decorative ribbon at the top of the head. Now, taking portions of the ribbon, start by braiding the hair. Include this ribbon portion into your braid. Take sections from the left side of the scalp in this case, that is the left side that is closer to the face. Continue to include the ribbon into your braid. Once you reach the bottom, you may normally braid the hair and then tie a rubber band to it once you are done. Join this at the back and then tie a bow. Do this on either side. Thank you for watching.